salad is not, but you are hot. Welcome to my weekly sessions of recipes talking about life and fashion. Today we're gonna make a summer salad, and also we're gonna talk about how to look stylish as a mom. So as the summer season is here, we're gonna switch direction into cooking something very summery and refreshing. Personally, I love summer, probably because I was born in summer, and also because you have this variety of fruits. Today for the salad, I chose these peaches, and let's make something new out of it. I'm gonna add some arugula as a base. Okay, here's my arugula. I choose baby arugula. I think it's more softer. Here. That's gonna be our pillow. The next ingredient is burrata. Personally, I prefer burrata over mozzarella because it's so soft and creamy, and you can mix it with basically everything. So I just realized something lately, as we are, in this era now when moms sometimes don't even look like moms. I know we used to think that moms should wear like something comfortable, like mom leggings, and I totally disagree with this. When I go out with my kids, I still want to wear something that really represents myself, my personality. I know what you think, like going out with the kids is always a mess, especially if you go to the restaurant and they use your skirt as a napkin. It happened many times to me. But then I have a hack for it. If I wear something like white shorts or like skirt where you can really see any stains on it, I just grab a scarf. And in case they put a stain on me, I'll just, cover it with the scarf. And it's like heat of the season, the scarf now, it's so popular. Just put it on your waist and no one ever gonna see the stain. Isn't smart? Yep. So that's one hack. We're gonna open our burrata like this. Okay, look nice. Another hack for a mom, instead of wearing skirt, just try to wear skorts. I'm sure you're familiar with it. I think it's the best invention for women, because when you go out with the kids, you need to bend or squat or something, so you're not gonna be confident in a skirt. But if you're wearing skirts, it looks like you're wearing a skirt, but it's actually shorts under, so it is smart also, right? So we're gonna slice our peach perfectly ripe. That's what I love about Hamptons. You get all the best fruits here. Okay. And instead of tomatoes, I know we usually see tomatoes in the salad, but this time, because it's summer, instead of tomatoes, we just gonna put peach on the top of the salad. And it's totally different combination of taste, and not something I would eat every day, but something I want to definitely try once in a while. Now the dressing. We're gonna use, of course, lemon juice. Just splash it on the top. Then olive oil. A lot. Of course, honey to make it a little bit sweet, because it's summery fruit salad. We need some sweetness, of course. Salt and pepper. I think I'm gonna add even more olive oil. So good. Yum. Okay, let me try this. Looks absolutely delicious. So good. Let me know if you try this salad. If you do, please tag me and I would like your feedback. I think it's absolutely delicious, and this summer you have to make it, really, until we have this beautiful fresh fruits like peaches. It's, you know, you only can have it in the summer. Follow me on Instagram for more recipes and just lifestyle tips.